Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by locking the foundation. Sensitivity, perks, and loadout. Set horizontal/vertical near 4.6 so you can flick and track. This reduces overcorrection. Equip double time or lightweight to extend sprint duration and crouch slide distance because movement beats pure aim in reposition fights. Once done, mount a stock or underbarrel that lowers ADS sway and sprintifier time. That's why you can weave in and out of cover quickly without losing accuracy. You now layer techniques: slide cancel, bunny hop, and mantle cancel. Slide cancel resets sprint faster, do sprint then crouch then jump, and ADS as you land to preserve momentum. Bunny hops keep you unpredictable, tap jump mid-sprint so you land and immediately sprint again. Mantle cancels let you clear obstacles without losing speed, which matters when crossing exposed ground. Make sure to practice transitions slowly at first. Smooth chaining between moves is what makes you harder to hit under fire. Finish by combining movement with decision-making. You should angle dot peek, strafe in short bursts, and punish anyone who overcommits. When entering fights, pre-aim where you expect contact and use micro peeks to bait shots before committing to a slide or jump shot. If you experience stuttering or inconsistent inputs, lower sensitivity by 0. 5. Check controller dead zones or toggle off conflicting aim assists because hardware and config often cause problems. Finally, rehearse routes in a private match until transitions are muscle memory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.